Today I'm going to show you how to easily remove a stuck oil filter that's in a tight spot without causing much damage. The first tool you need is a socket wrench. The socket wrench allows you a handle to easily torque that oil filter loose. The second tool you need is the rod to allow that socket wrench to go down to that tight space for the oil filter, which is the drive socket extension rod. The third tool you need is the oil filter strap to allow you a nice tug on that oil filter to get it off. First thing you want to do is take the oil filter strap and make it about the same size as your filter. So what you want to do is you want to take the rod and turn it left like you're going to be untightening it, and slowly wrapping it on the top until you have that about the same size as your filter. Next, you want to place your rod and connect them. Next, once you have these both in place, before you attach the socket wrench on top, you place this over your filter, give it one last turn around so that way it's the tightest. And then, to attach the rod to the socket wrench, all you have to do is press in the unlock, push it in, release, and now, as you turn towards your filter, you will be slowly increasing that tension, and it should come out nice and loose. When you're installing your new oil filter, remember that all oil filters instructions are always on the side of the canister. And as a general rule across the board, after the gasket contacts the base and you feel it snug, you turn it about 3/4 to 1 turn after that tension. An easy way to guide this is canisters are numbered on the side. They typically have a number 1 to give you a guide on where to start, but you can mark each corner of the canister so you know when you've reached that 3/4 to 1 full rotation. Make sure you have an oil pan underneath your new oil filter before starting your engine to make sure, in case you didn't screw on the oil filter properly, to not waste that oil. I hope this video helped you. Feel free to like and subscribe, and as always, stay awesome.